Welcome, in front of me I have TCL 20SE, and today I will show you how you can customize quick launch in the smartphone. So as you know, we got the two quick launch with power key that we can open quickly camera, and also when you set it up on your fingerprint sensor. So from the lock screen you can click put finger on your sensor, and smartphone will be unlocked and already will be moved to application that you linked. So let's open the settings if you want to make it. And then you have to scroll down and you have to go for security and the biometrics. Right now find fingerprint, input your lock method, then click to quick launch application, tap on the switcher, and we can link also through different fingers, but I just link only one. So let's go for the first one, and for example we are going quickly to open Gmail. Click to confirm and take a look right now. I'm going to lock the device and then put finger on the sensor, just like that. And as you can see, the Gmail will be opened. So that's how you can customize and set up quick launch in your TCL 20SE. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.